HYPR stock analysis and HYPR stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do and how I'm going to trade. I am the only guy in this space with 40,000 videos made, so I have seen what's making me money and what's not. Hyperfine, it's nice, you know, I like it. 21% increase. Some of my charts looking like all in all. I don't know why I say I like it. This is not good whatsoever. You know, last time it pumped, I was like, yeah, I'm trying to milk it up as long as there's some shift. Never happened, right? And that's fine. It was just an idea, which I never got the shift. I never bought, right? I mean, all in all, just my bottom line here, my bedrock is going to be that it's currently at bearish range. In this bearish range, it's only really going to be bullish if I see a full candle close above 80 cents, right? And we're nowhere near that. So I'm telling you, like, if there's no sort of thing like a shift like that, that I'm not willing to sell. Straight up, right? All I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting for rules to be met. And HYPR, let's come here. I don't know if it's going to show up in the Discord. No, which is fine. But if you want to learn how I'm consistently making 5-10K per month with eye indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.